Hey guys, you're watching Tech Radar. My name's Basil. It's Mobile World Congress 2018 and ASUS has announced two new smartphones. Well, more than two, but we're talking about two today. We're talking about the Zenfone 5 and the Zenfone 5Z, or Z if you're in the States. These phones look like the iPhone 10. We're just going to say it because there is no doubt about it. They've got a notch at the top for crying out loud, but what that also means is that they look very, very good. Very good considering what they'll probably end up costing. Starting with the Zenfone 5, and it comes in at either 5.8 or 6.2 inches, just like the Samsung Galaxy S9 range. You've also got a Full HD Plus screen, and it looks really vibrant and punchy and poppy in spite of the fact it is actually not an OLED display, it is IPS. One difference is between this and the iPhone 10, you have a headphone jack and you also have a fingerprint scanner. It is a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner and it is a bottom headphone jack along with a bottom-firing speaker and a USB-C port. The speaker is a bottom-firing and tweeting setup, so it's not quite stereo, but it has that stereo effect. Looks-wise, it's a beauty, feels rich in the hand, it's nice and light, and that screen takes center stage with really, really small bezels. With the Zenfone 5Z sporting the same kind of look, unsurprisingly, because this looks like a flagship whichever way you look at it, it's the internals that are going to showcase some key differences, specifically around the chipset. The Snapdragon 845 announced a few months ago will be going into the Z series, whereas the regular ASUS Zenfone 5 will have a Snapdragon 636. The variants will have a minimum of 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage going all the way up, and support microSD cards of up to 2 TB. Based on what we've seen from the Snapdragon 845 so far, you can guess that there's going to be a pretty heavy focus on AI, specifically pertaining to that camera. And the camera setup is one we've seen before from ASUS. It's got a nice Sony sensor inside, 2 lenses, 1 wide angle and 1 regular field of view. So you can get up to 120 degrees to get all your friends in group pictures, or OIS on the primary sensor to keep everything nice and steady with a regular field of view. Up to 4K video recording across both, and you've also got a nice wide-angled selfie camera as well. The ASUS Zenfone 5 and 5Z also have around 3,300 milliamps of battery as well, so should, with those screen sizes, last a full day. For more specifics and a full rundown of the specs, techradar.com is your destination, where you can also see all our other Mobile World Congress 2018 coverage. Thanks for watching.